Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Jesse, and welcome back to another video. Well, I'm pretty excited to try the new fall flavors of Dairy Queen's new fall lineup. If you're following my videos, you know I've already done some fall stuff. I can't believe fall's already here, guys. Not officially, but it's definitely here, right? Because after Labor Day, you know how it goes. All the fall flavor stuff starts coming out. I've done a couple of things already. I've done Dunkin' Donuts, new fall flavors. I've done Starbucks. And now I'm here to let you know, before you go, the fall flavors for Dairy Queen. All right. I'm so excited to try this. This is the new Pecan Pie. You heard that. New Pecan Pie Blizzard here at Dairy Queen. Now, I'm going to show this to you, and I'm already melted. All right, take a look at that. Wow. And I know it's hard to see past all this whipped cream that's sitting on the top of it. This, my friends, is a medium. It looks like it's overflowing here everywhere. But inside here, I actually have two of them to show you. So I have, this is the pecan pie, like I said. And then I also have the pumpkin pie. So I got both here, right? Pecan pie, pumpkin pie. Here, and this is the blizzard. All right, so let's put that away for a second. Give it a taste test. All right, so excited, guys. Don't want to waste too much time because this thing is melting all over me. We'll start off with the pecan pie. Inside here, you have pecans, duh. All right, so you have pecans, you have brown sugar, you have caramel, vanilla ice cream, and all that goodness inside here. So I'm gonna dig down deep and see what we got. Ooh. All right. Oh my gosh, guys, you can see this, and I don't know if I can get a good shot of that. Wow, look at those big chunks. Let me give it a try. At first bite, you're already in paradise. If you're anyone like me who loves pecan pie and pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving, this is for you. I'm going to go in one more time on this side so you can see what's going on. And again, I'm going to try to give you some lighting here without making a mess. I don't know if you can see that sitting right on top. That's big chunks of pecan. You know what? I thought it was going to be overly sweet. Let's go in for one more bite. Well, okay, guys. Well, I think you already know what my rating is going to be on this one, right? You can probably already guess. All right. I'm just so excited. You can see the grin on my face. This, guys, run on out and get it. It's for a limited time for the fall. Not sure how long they're going to have it. This is a go. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is definitely a 10. All right, so that's the new pecan pie. Again, with brown sugar, pecans, caramel, whipped together with whipped cream on top and swirled together with vanilla ice cream. I just can't stop eating it. Amazing. Just amazing. All right. And Let's now try the pumpkin ice cream. Okay, this is pumpkin pie. This is back. It's not brand new, but it's back this year. And it has pieces of graham cracker crust, pumpkin in it, whipped cream, and a little bit of nutmeg. All right, let's try this. Dairy Queen, you trying to hurt us this fall? You trying to put on those pounds? Oh, this is dangerous. Oh my gosh. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy telling you, so you know before you go, you better go. Now, as you guys know, I'm a pumpkin guy, right? I love pumpkin muffins, pumpkin coffee, pumpkin cakes, and now pumpkin blizzard from Dairy Queen. Okay, pumpkin. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, run out and get it. This is also a 10 on a scale of 1 to 10. It's amazing. Absolutely, 100% amazing. All right. So, there you have it, guys. The new fall flavors at Dairy Queen. And I paid, those are mediums, by the way. Those are mediums. And I paid around $5.69. I forget the exact price. Somewhere around that, $5.69, $61. At least that's the area that I'm in. So run out and get it. Let me know which one is your favorite. As you can see, these are both my favorites. I'm not sure out of both. Since I'm a pumpkin guy, I might lean more towards the pumpkin. To be honest with you, out of both of these, the pumpkin pie is definitely, it's just nice. I don't know why. Maybe because of the nice pumpkin and that nutmeg flavor is just, ooh, I just feel like I'm in paradise right now eating pieces of pie. Both of my favorite pies at Thanksgiving time are now in ice cream form. Ooh. Well, there you have it. Well, as always, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and just, give me a thumbs up, and let me know. And drop me a comment, too. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think, if you've tried it, if you plan on trying it. I want to hear from you. We want to hear from you. And I think that's about it. I'm out.